So, all right, just got a new lav mic. And while I was doing my testing, I noticed that sometimes I would get a background hissing noise, and sometimes I would not get a background hissing noise. In my particular case, I would get the background noise when I was recording directly into my iPhone. However, when I was recording directly into my MacBook, I did not get the background hissing noise. So, I think it's safe to say that depending upon the devices you're using and what software you're using, you may or may not encounter this background hissing noise. But if you do, it's easy enough to remove. You can just use a noise removal effect in any DAW. And in this video, I will show you how to use the noise removal effect in Reaper to remove this hissing noise. So first thing is, let's take a little listen to my test. I have a loop back play at the very end. This is where you can actually see the noise pretty well. And it will show up on the meter here. You'll see it lingering at around minus 42 dB at the end. On this video, you may not actually be able to hear the hissing noise, but you will be able to see it showing up on the meter. So let's take a listen. All right, so this is just a test of lavalier mic going right into my iPhone. All right, so we're at the end. We're looping around at the end, and you can see this is kind of plateauing at minus 42 dB, which is in fact the hissing noise showing up on the meter. Right? So in Reaper, the noise removal effect is this one here. It's called REAPER. FIR stands for Finite Impulse Response. So this effect can be used for a couple of different things. For noise removal, we just need to set a few of these params. The mode gets set to subtract because we're going to be removing frequencies. And the edit mode is precise. This buffer size gets changed to 1024. And then this checkbox appears, and we want to automatically build the noise profile. So you might wonder, what is a noise profile? Well, these noise removal effects, they all basically work the same way. They're a two-step process. First step is to kind of build a profile of what the noise looks like. So the DAW has a reference for what it's going to remove. And then you, after building that profile, you actually apply the profile to the track, and it does then remove the noise. So you do the profile, and then you do the effect. Now in Reaper, there's a handy feature here. When you have an effect on a track, if it's an active effect, this button shows up green. So right now we have an active effect on the track. And you can actually turn the effect on or off with this button here. So the first thing is we'll actually get the profile, and then we'll toggle the effect on and off, and we can see it working. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to grab the noise. You can see it fluttering around here in the graph. That is the hissing noise. That's probably more than enough. So now we have the noise profile. Now I'm going to turn it off. So right now the effect is not active, and so we should see the hissing noise again showing up here at minus 42. There you go. So now when I turn the effect on, the hissing noise does in fact disappear. All right, take the effect off. This is called bypassing. Then I bypass the effect. So the noise is back. We turn the effect on, and the noise has disappeared. So that's all there is to it. You just build a noise profile and apply it to the track, and then the hissing noise is removed. And then you would just need to export this track and then use it with whatever video you happen to be working on. So with that, I guess we'll see you next time. I hope this was helpful.